Hi, welcome friends. Welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. Today we will be learning how to create a drop-down list in an MS Excel document. So we'll be seeing how I will see how we can create a drop-down list in MS Excel. So I hope that you are familiar with drop-downs. I'll show an example for drop-down. See here you have a column SL name provision, and after that there's an section in which you can see engineer, and after that you can see a arrow button. If you click on that arrow button, you can see a drop down list. So this is called a drop down list in MS Excel. Okay, so today we'll be learning how we can create one drop down list in MS Excel. So let's go and create one. So I'll be showing you an example for displaying some names. Okay, so let's see. I'm just creating a cell called name, just giving some shade. Okay, so here I want to create a drop down list. So before that, I'll have to prepare a list of names that need to be displayed in the drop down. So like okay, there are 5 names I have already created here. So I want these 5 names to be displayed as a drop down list. So first you need to put your select the cell where you want the drop down list to be. Then after that, select the data tab from the top ribbon. So you can see the data in the top ribbon area. Click on that, and now click on the data validation. Okay, now you'll be able to see a dialog box which has 3 tabs like settings, input message, error alert. So we need to make the changes on the settings right now. Click on settings, and there's an option called allow. By default it is any value. You need to change it to list. Click on that, you'll see a drop down. Change it to list. Okay, now you need to select a source, like which list you want to show here in the drop down. So I will just click on that source area. Now I will be selecting these names: Matthew, Ram, Ranjit, Sam, and Ali. So I will left click my mouse button and drag it. Yeah, now the list is selected. So I can click on OK button, or just click on the enter button on the keyboard. So I'm clicking it OK. Yeah, so your drop down is created. You can see an arrow button here. So if you click on that, yeah, you can see the names are appearing there. So you can select any of the names. Like I'm selecting Ranjit, it will be displayed there. If I select Matthew, it will be displayed there. So our drop down list is created. It's very easy. Just you need to make sure that you are selecting the right cells for as the source. So that's it for today. I hope you understood how to create a drop down list in MS Excel. So if you found it useful, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. And also, while subscribing my channel, please make sure that you click on the bell icon just that's near the subscribe button. Okay, make sure you click on the bell icon so that you get further notifications whenever I upload new videos on this channel. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned and stay safe. Bye.